I
virus.
know, I know.
Even for us, we should get a cycle.
Hmm.
For me now
Hey,
also go
Samprarut,
live
after
option is
so
there.
many
That
days
I
I'm
can go
playing with
off.
you.
My OBS setting, everything is ready. If I click go live now only I can go off. But I won't.
What
You
is
have
that OBS and
Elgato?
all?
You have Elgato?
Stream
Elgato is so
setup.
expensive.
No, without Elgato. Without
Oh
Elgato you
lord,
can do.
lord.
Elgato is expensive, da.
Yeah, it's very expensive. I was
What
checking
only that 60
how
FPS
much
gameplay will run.
paisa
What
I'm
to
get.
do with that?
I was checking how much money I got from my channel.
Hey bro, Harut,
US dollar.
have you crossed 10,000 views? Then only your channel starts to get monetized.
Hmm. If you'll cross 1,000 subscribers, like it'll get monetized.
So you have more than 1,000 subs.
No, I can add a mod also, Saik.
I know. Like that every YouTuber can do.
Ma,
Like,
I'm playing with Ruth after years, da.
you have to copy link
Hey,
craft
Ruth.
it, but you're landing.
Hey, hello,
Have to
Ruth.
add that home screen. Home screen. Yeah, yeah.
You know that
Tell.
some guy called Sai Ritesh in your school, huh?
No one is there in my school like that.
He
Oh, one
goes
squad,
to
one squad.
HJF
Right,
school, it seems.
right. Close, close.
Yo, I
Oh, but
wanted to play Weekend Era so that I'll get
Sai
hype.
Scouts,
Ritesh
we should have
Kuduru
seen
something.
Scouts
Yeah, next match we can do.
1v2, bro. Last circle.
Starting, I'll have
Next match
good
we can do.
KD, okay? Afterwards, you'll get reduced. Now I have 4.
I'm maintaining
My
6.3
first
something.
match I had 12. I had 12 first match.
Zodiac had 10 KD shit in 20 matches. Oh, bhai. Not 20 matches, sorry.
I
Some 5 matches or something. Then it got reduced.
Yeah.
Became
I had 12.
5.65 something. Okay, wait 1 second.
I
I'll
am
come. I'll just
maintaining
copy
6
link.
for what job.
Same here. I'm maintaining this time.
Hey,
Full time
YouTube
maintaining.
Studio. Ra.
I am blank about YouTube and all, but I can't stream on my PC. It sucks.
Why do you need
I thought you're
PC,
full
da?
rich fellow, ra.
Yeah, I know, right? Just start up normally. Ages. Start normally, bro. Not every streamer
I
needs a
can't do
PC.
on iMac and all that. It is iMac MacBook.
Wait. Which device you have? Can't you stream on OnePlus 6?
MacBook that
What,
I
bro?
have.
Stupid that you're not streaming that.
You saw all the matches, sir, today.
Yeah, I was sitting and seeing everything and give an analysis
Lucky.
on everything.
Some 2 days back, I saw little.
Oh, vehicle.
I saw that Erantil match in which Entity had proper zone, but they choked it.
DJ, don't be alone. DJ, all alone.
This is what TPP was taking.
North.
He lit him with Scorpion.
Hey,
Bro, the
take
Aries,
Mark.
Aries did full cheating, da. He told season 14
Oh,
RP will
squad
give
cam,
me.
squad
He didn't
cam.
even come.
Squad cam.
AJ is taking Mark, bro.
Squad cam.
Hey, call Aries. Someone call
Marked a
Aries tomorrow,
location.
okay?
Oh, vehicle.
Aegis
Oh,
call Aries tomorrow. He has to give me
Run
RP.
away.
He told he'll give.
What?
Oh, there
He's
are
not coming online, you ex.
church.
You saw.
Yeah, bro. Why do you think I'm telling you?
First time in poaching ki so good loot I have.
Oh, I know. I got OP.
Good loot. I lit. Oh, I
I
want
have
extended. I want that.
M4 AK here, Uzi with so much ammo is there.
Oh,
I need
I'm
AK
coming back.
ammo, bro.
I
I
got
need AK.
supplies.
AK ammo I'm using, I
I
can't.
don't want Uzi ammo. I want some scope.
5S is at 30. That's it. AK have 120. Uzi ammo here again.
Okay.
With 3x.
Oh yeah, 4x who wants?
8x who wants?
I mark.
Save it for me.
Sir,
Ali, I'm
comment it.
sniping. I'm sniping this game. I'm sniping this game. Save it for me. Don't give it
Okay.
to DJ.
4x in this house.
Oh, bhai, Ruth, you should have seen
Marked a
my
location.
Carl Red Dot, 200 meters away.
Okay.
The vehicle I got on.
Hello, I lit. Okay.
Oh, please, bro. You just lit one guy. And you weren't sure ages whether everybody gave some damage.
Watch out.
Not only you. Just because you see
Okay,
the
okay,
flames
bye.
coming
Okay.
out. Yeah, just because you see
Okay,
the flames
bye.
coming out, that doesn't mean only you.
Nova King non-stop is streaming da, but he took some break.
I played
Yeah,
with Nova,
he-
you know. I played with Nova.
No.
And he's like
Hey,
he'll
Ruth,
he'll
why
stream
don't you
until he
play with
reaches
us, yeah?
conqueror.
Because I'll be playing with my squad.
Yes, competitive.
They
Though.
won't
What
play
I
with
think
us,
that. Hey, yes, fella. Competitive.
Competitive. Wow. I'm not even played one competitive there.
Hey, I'm full psych. I was so happy when I played with Nova. But then video is so long, I can't send on WhatsApp. It's like uploading video on YouTube. So huge.
Still,
Oh,
Huh?
NRG, don't give a Fanda rush.
So
what is he? I'm looting here, da.
some his teammate PH Dark and some NRX Crusher played with me. Like
Yeah,
they
yeah.
made
NRS Crusher
they,
is season 12 conqueror number.
It is
He came in
not
top 10.
Crusher, it's Cruiser.
Something, bro. Something. What is it? This guy came in top 10 again. You
I
you
don't
you watch
know.
Fortnite? That who's that fella? Blue hat ninja. You go watch that fella. And that what do you say? The tofu?
this
Sorry,
thing
Tifu.
not custom room like team code he gave. Okay, full fast with 2 to 1 in tab. I was watching mobile full fast. I typed of that team code.
I joined Soul Regal Tossers in Mortal's room yesterday. Only crossbow.
Soul I don't like. I won't join.
Yes. I love Soul. Soul for life.
No, no,
Not like
no.
your TSM. We saw what they're doing in BMW World. I
Etc.
mean, I'm not underestimating them, but I understand every team has its downside.
I know you're supporting Pakistan too much, no?
No, why would I support?
Yeah.
Which is at Pakistan's team.
No, they're not allowed. No,
Freestyle.
their government. Yeah, recently they
Sure.
got permission, but Pakistan government wasn't allowing them to play this BMW. They
Hey, I
basically
can't hear
banned the
da.
game.
Which?
Freestyle FS, freestyle.
It seems this thing freestyle like that team is full kind and all full good. Actually Pakistan full bad, but then these people are good. It seems.
Have you seen the toxicity in them? No, oh God. And
Okay.
insult Indian YouTubers like
I like Neo. He also plays damn good. Neo.
yeah, and seeing you.
TSM and Titinio Pro is.
Okay.
He's also Bengali, you know, Psyche. Suri Flexi is also Bengali. Yeah. Hey,
Team
that's some
Solomon.
American organization sponsor.
Yes. It,
Team? No. You know the full form,
Render.
Team Solomate.
bro, render.
Oh, yeah.
First, even I didn't know it's some organization. Okay, I thought for fun. Thank you so much, entity. I used to think.
Even me, thank you so much. Yeah, even me, I think thank you so much.
But then Johnny told on live some American organization.
Oh, bro, it's lagging for me, da. Like anything.
Yeah, for me, I thought my
I
net
know.
or something. It's lagging.
Yeah, it's actually lagging.
You all play on OnePlus Pro players.
No.
Tax stock you on.
I got supplies.
Good that it reduced of potions. Safe.
I know.
Carbon compounds. Oh, yo, so tough.
Only 3 topics are coming from that.
Hey, it's only till homologous series.
No, not only till in between the few but aren't coming. See, it's like
What?
wait, I'll tell you. It's like the versatile nature of carbon and the
Yeah,
what do
that
you say,
obviously the last that
yeah, and
versatile
covalent
nature
bonds,
and all.
covalent
Yeah,
bonds
that.
and homologous series. In between that, it's
That's
not.
what. Till homologous series means these all these come before homologous series only.
Yeah, kind of. Yeah, you can say that.
What is homologous series?
It differs by CH2 something. Even I don't. I was not listening.
We
to the
haven't
teacher.
started it. We haven't started it.
We finished also so fast. They'll go science for us. They'll go like Hindi, English. No, mad people sign.
NRG, how much you got in science, beta?
Me,
Okay.
31.
Oh, shoo.
31 out of 80. Shit.
It's stupid. 40.
Oh.
88. That
My
88
highest
will get
science. My highest in science is 29 out of 30.
You guys are 30 marks. Your school is CBSE or a mixture of ICSE and CBSE?
CBSE.
Lol. How 30 marks, bro?
Marked a
Hey,
location.
how first Ruth become Aries' friend, no? First, he met Aries first, then he came.
Thank you.
They're all stupid to fight like
What
kids,
type?
bro. What other job they have? What a भाई 43 people alive. Problem go front.
Hey, let's go da. Come, we'll go search.
Where are you
I
guys?
have 0 kills here.
Before
My
I used to
stats
play
are
with my
barbaric.
squad, then Ares came, full bond, full brotherhood, everything. Then after that, I think
Okay,
I
Ruth,
went with
actually
my
be honest, okay, who do you think is better when you played customs with our squad, that coordination was good, or with your own squad?
squad only. What Rush will do, na? Full OP Zodiac, Fury.
Yeah.
Oh car! Oh you. The weekend we got 16 kills. You know our first like highest kills. Not like first
Nice.
highest kills. Chicken we got many times T3. Zodiac 8 kills, bro. Like I did 4.
Marked a location.
Zodiac
Zodiac.
plays well, huh?
Oh,
No.
what you're saying, bro? Go play one new one, you think, and
Or which device he plays?
a device doesn't
iPad.
matter, bro. Device does not matter.
Oh, iPad
Yeah, he
player.
plays. He plays on
Oh.
Poco also. Poco.
Plays on, yeah, he plays in mobile device. He left iPad. I guess he was asked to leave, I guess.
No, first like he got iPad from his parents, so he had to play. So now he got practice in iPad, then he got his new phone Poco. So it's not his problem also. That's why practicing on Poco also so much. And the reason
Which
is
one, Poco? X1
once-
or F1 or X2?
F1 I think, yeah, F1.
Obviously, F1, yeah, no doubt.
F1 is better than X2.
Okay.
Anytime better.
We are just
But F1
waiting for board exams, We'll register for PMC or mostly we are not sure. Like it depends on Zodiac. If he practices full on Poco, then obviously PMC will register.
Hmm.
But one more is we are not 16 years and above. No, we all are 15 only. Like our
Yeah,
birthday will
that is
come after that.
First, you guys
If you
play
want
War Mania,
substitute
yeah.
player,
Play
I
War
can
Mania.
join.
If Warmania,
Want
we are
substitute
not.
player?
We can't play. That is only invited teams.
Ages,
Only
ages.
in.
Just don't ditch your own squad.
I told if you want.
Warmania is only this thing. What is that? Invited teams. We tried in the Discord server. It's not happening. Villager esports also invited only. Through
Yeah. Or you know gaming era, right?
Yeah, we play that only now every day.
I play his only because he is giving nice shout outs and all the all
Now
the-
he stopped. He stopped PC streams. He told he wants some rest for 1 month.
Marked a location.
About whom are you
Where-
speaking?
We'll mostly play Ghatak tournament also underdogs.
Does he himself play?
No, that 10 lakh prize pool it seems. Full details and all we make. Like Scouts Invitational Tournament.
Yeah, Scout Invitation. That's good.
That's
Scout Invitation.
FTP, this thing, no auto
Yeah,
pickup,
yeah.
aim assist off.
Bro, if you
sort of.
win in that, no, see, there was an underdog squad, right? For example, Cells, right? How they won in PNPL,
Hmm.
and they're actually performing in PNPL. Like that.
I know PM will 4th place, bro. Strike, bro.
I know.
Hey, God, like only full. Embarrassing. Pura.
I had so much of hopes on TSM da.
Same, Jonathan does same. You see, they'll come back strong again. They'll be
Bro,
top, you
Scout
see.
is on a
Bro,
rampage.
whatever they have to do it by tomorrow because after tomorrow they're gonna have
Something
to.
India should win, I'll be happy.
Exactly, I'm supporting OR. Like all Indian teams, but mainly OR.
Change
Bro,
your car,
Viru is
change
also
your car.
damn good player. Viru also full
Marked a
underrated actually.
location.
I know. Dude, did you see Scout's vehicle knock to Zaxi here?
Yeah, two
Oh,
people,
my.
not even Zaxi, even Microboy.
I know.
Actually, I am this thing better than Microboy in close range.
You don't know the pressure over there better than mine.
Tatra, their iPhone.
Bro,
they'll have
Ryzen,
obviously
no,
have
you know, life
advantage.
story of Ryzen, no? So sad
No.
kid. I feel bad for him.
I'm not so jobless to know their life story and all. My life only is not
Hey,
decided
you-
what I'll become.
Bro, wait. See, he had a brother who used to care for him and all. He used to wake him up and all. That guy met in an accident. He passed away when he was only some 7 or 8.
Okay.
His own brother.
Where are these
see,
people fighting? Yeah, where?
you don't speed boost.
Go military here. Oh, we already went. No, too.
Where are these people, bro?
Ghatka, you go here, people will be ruins. That's it.
Fine.
Rozok Hill also they might be. Eh, I have 2 kills. I didn't know only.
I have one.
I have 0.
Oh, doors are open.
I killed 1 player, 1 bot. The only
Drop
Ghatak's
go.
tournament we have to play. And you know one more thing, our school, we are 10th, okay? 9th standards play better than us, you know.
Right.
Their close range is
Don't talk
tight.
about ninth grade. Don't talk
Their
about
close range is OP, our school 9th graders. So psych. So they were in our clan only, okay, first. So there were one squad, 9th standard 2 people, Zodiac, iPad, and Flexi, okay. Zodiac, iPad, so they could not form much synergy and all. Then they kicked out Zodiac. Yo, they kicked out Zodiac, oh shit. Okay, from the squad. Then Zodiac also got angry. He kicked them from the clan, okay. Then Zodiac is making a new clan. So those people joined one clan called Trinity Esports, okay.
it.
That is like it's not some proper esports clan and all, but then the owner is like some sort of like uncle, like not even like uncle, like 30 years, that get full rich fellow it seems. He told like some tournament if you form a squad, perform properly and all, he might give salary but not so much also. He'll see, he told like that. So clan name is TNY.
But will they
Psych,
sponsor
no?
you? Will they sponsor shirts and all to you?
No, not me. 9th standards, they're in that clan. So
I
if
mean,
they
you itself, your schoolmate. As he
No.
sponsoring because without sponsor, don't.
Obviously, not now. They should win some tournament and all.
Exactly. No, I'm saying if without sponsors, don't do anything. Man.
TNY Adi, that guy's name is Sai Robert. He's so good also. Even they are playing Hathak's tournament when it will come. Even you people play, no? Register or.
But we need a guy in our squad who can manage all the, like Discord server and all. Like you
Discord
do.
stuff.
Even
Yeah,
even
Discord.
for us in our squad, everyone knows to use Discord proper. Like even
We
I don't know
also
so much.
We also
Even
know.
I don't know so much.
Like, right? One person who can manage.
And we ask Flexi. Flexi is like, nah, I'm not interested in tournaments.
Oh, coaching की zone था. Let's go. मजा.
Which flexi? My
Oh,
my
footsteps.
class flexi. Yeah. Oh yeah, footsteps. Bro.
Hey, finally one kill.
Get in, guys.
Oh, DP. Finally. I don't have scope. 8x I have still, I'll throw.
Hey, give it. I have mini 14.
Okay.
I go to Pochinki discorders here, people might be.
Enemies ahead.
Yeah, I know. I'm going there.
Hey, Ruth, you have any this one spot in your me and NRG can join? No one will play from our side.
No.
We only have 5
Don't-
players.
Don't disturb that. Right? Leave it. Right? It's fine.
Hey, at least
Yeah.
NRG when you reach some
Oh,
high level,
still.
take me, okay?
Why would I? What are you saying? That?
We don't have 5. We have wait. We have 5. Yeah.
Lag.
Five.
Lag.
I'll ask them one player may come. Like when we go to competitive, like full proper, no, then we'll see whom should we take one. It's me, Zodiac, Flexi, Excalibur, and Wolf. So one more we can take as top also. We lag. People are saying
Oh, shots.
lag. Hey, stop,
Stop.
don't push. My ping is 800.
Stop here, Rudy.
Watch out.
No,
Stop
little
here,
more.
stop
Little
here.
more.
Stop here.
Stop here.
Stop here,
Enough.
Chill.
Stop,
I
stop,
know.
Hey, take 8x first. No waste, no space, only take first. Ages.
Come.
Oh, I saw him squatters.
Yeah.
Hey, you keep going, okay? I'll slam him.
Watch
I'll
out.
knock one. 3 to 1.
OP.
Nice push.
This energy get damage, this guy knock waste.
Go. Ruth, go.
Where did? Oh shit, ground floor of one there.
One
OP.
squad all dead. Go push.
One guy jumped outside.
Oh, it's here. I'm nading.
Noob. I was throwing smoke. He ran, Yo.
I throw nade. Bro, don't go. I throw nade.
Holy shit.
Don't go.
Came
One
on my
more,
face.
one more.
Bro, Energy got the kill that too. I just threw a nade, Energy got. Like, confirm. Hey, leave 6x, please. Yo, it took off. Hey, please, give 6x.
Check.
My 6x full laser, you know now. Oh, hi. 4x I can't use, It's so tough. I need extended
Hey,
man.
M4
It's
anything
not
is there?
So many.
Carl at least nothing. Oh, I find.
Minus. 5 or 6 are there.
I want some ammo, but
All dead. No, I got him. Rank him.
Holy shit, 5s6. I have 80, you know. Nicely, I'm going without ammo there.
without ammo, I have at least 80.
Come guys, coaching.
Hey, how many kills? I hate this.
Why 5s6 is not there? What is this?
I have only 70. Come.
No need leave, my bag is full. Okay, I have so many energy drinks. Wait.
Look at the zone, kind of competitive.
Holy shit, my red dot also fell. Oh, yo.
Oh, boy, full poaching ki zone. Let's go, bro. Okay.
Squados, you go here.
Not squad of that. You go.
Oh, render.
Squados only
that's
people
correct.
will come. Listen, please. You know, Vikendi, what is that place, Oh, level 3 bag. Now I have space. Yeah. Enough. Now I have 150. No need. If Vikendi, what is that place, Wait. Some bridge and all will be, no, it's like between of the map. What is it?
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
wait.
Hey,
Illa.
hey, Abe. No, wait.
No,
Castle,
it is.
castle.
No,
Castle.
next to Castle, one place is there, I forgot. One bridge will be.
Next to Volnova.
Yeah, near Volnova only. Okay, wait, in Google, I'll check map. Wait.
Ayyo. You want to hear this sound, energy?
Oh, nice.
I got it.
I don't
Podvosto, you
know.
know that place, no Podvosto.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That is a hot drop in T3. Okay, first day we
Marked a
went, we
location.
got killed badly. Then even we didn't know people will come first day. Okay, so we also let them kill us again. We thought like that. We kept on going. We racked them. Then that became a drop location.
Oh, renter, people are coming. Renter.
Yeah.
Come back, people.
We have one Discord server separate for only maps. Okay, there's some link is there. I don't know from where did Zodia get that. With that, like some
Oh,
Oi! I thought Aegis is firing. Then I'm seeing health is also going.
red house.
Yeah, I
Watch
saw.
out. Watch
He's
out.
running. Ayyo. I'll see friend people. Speaking. That noob is speaking. Wait.
Oh,
1 HP. His teammate
Yeah, I
came
know.
here.
okay.
One teammate came there. Oh, Millie 14 top is giving. Where, Mark?
Watch
Oh,
out.
he's going to revive?
Watch
White dress,
out.
one guy. Yeah.
So we push,
Wait.
come.
No. Wait. I'll throw smoke.
Give cover, give
Hold.
cover.
Yeah, wait. I'm
Watch
healing.
I know.
Pushed. Come.
Somebody naded. Okay.
No, I threw smoke. Oh, I told. That's why I told.
Knock.
I know. One guy ran behind. Okay, jumped out.
Watch out.
Yeah. He's in front of me.
Behind red house
I
only guy.
needed, wait.
Bro, I had
Guys, come.
6x raw close range of this guy. Oh, we all dead.
Guys,
No,
come
he was
guys.
knocked.
Oh lol, I
Snakes,
spotted him
bro.
first.
Oh, more.
Come.
I know.
Guys, come. 20 people.
Hmm.
Let's go. Hold this.
My KD will go. I need more kills. Miramar drop location water treatment. You know that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, focus now.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Come.
We'll play next match, Aruth.
Huh?
I have 260. Come.
5s is there, no so
Oh,
much. I
Asian.
have
Red building.
red means so many other victims.
I know, triple sorry.
That's what I felt there only with triple.
No?
Oh,
One more, sir.
Oh,
nading. Oh, knock.
Nice. One more, sir.
Oi! Man,
Already.
people who threw nade on me.
GG.
already. M4 laser spray.
I'm waiting for Scout streamed. I'll do night no full. I'll
I
watch.
know, at night, yeah, fun stream.
Full must. Oh, camper!
Oh my god.
Mark,
Open.
Mark, bro.
Watch out!
Guys, that's
But they're in competitive, okay?
Marked a location.
Imagine competitive, we won't mark how much Zodiac will score, you know? I'm pushing on that, I need kill. My ping is high! Hug diya.
Mark.
Here
Watch
only.
Watch out!
How we didn't die, ra? Nade.
Please compose it.
Don't throw nades, don't throw, I'm going, don't.
I threw.
whoever-
It fell down.
Ages what?
No,
Give
it came
tall
here
no, at
only.
least. What? Give tall no.
Move. Move, ra. The age is how much kill story is doing.
Not that, bro.
Hey, I
At
don't know
least
if
give
it's-
tall no. What? They got a tall, bro. Come on, last 4 people.
कहाँ चल रे? It will pan, huh?
Please mark it next time. Or give call.
Last
bro.
guy.
I want kills.
Even you stole mine. I have 3 too.
Let's hold some building back.
How many
Oh,
edges
why is
you
a
have?
car here? I have 5.
That triple I. Bro, I have 4 KD. At least 5 kills I need for maintaining. 2 kills you give, right?
I
Now.
have KD there.
I still give off. They'll be camping only where else.
Full rank pushing lobby there. One more.
Oh, footsteps.
I feel sad for Nova also, but
Terrace.
I saw.
For real this time.
Shit, no nades. Oh, triple I only.
He's in front of
Oh
me.
shit, full squad is there near me.
No.
OP.
So,
Here.
For
Yeah,
real
there.
this
know.
time.
Come.
Nade. First nade. Keep nading.
I don't have nades.
Watch out!
Mura! Who's blocking my way, noob? Number
Sorry,
3.
sorry.
Remember pan the last guy? Ay, wahida.
Ayo.
Full flank I gave that.
Nice.
5 kills it seems.
Yeah, I threw random nades.
Damage, you see, Duff.